Congratulations, gratulálunk, felicitări. We continue our celebrations with the top websites for Foodie Travelers Award 2025, recognizing digital platforms that inspire culinary tourism. To introduce this segment, I would like to invite Mr. Jaume Gomila, IGCAT board member, to the stage.
Distinguished authorities, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, and passionate food and travel enthusiasts, welcome to the 2025 edition of the Top Websites for Foodie Travelers Gala Awards. It is an honor to gather here tonight to celebrate the platforms that are redefining the way we experience food, culture, and travel. At IGCAT, International Institute of Gastronomy, Culture, Arts, and Tourism, we believe that food is a gateway to understanding the soul of a place. Through these awards, we recognize the outstanding websites that connect travelers with authentic, creative, and sustainable culinary experiences while supporting micro-businesses and regional development. A special thanks to our esteemed jury. None of this would be possible without the dedication and expertise of our international jury, who have carefully assessed the year's submissions against strict criteria. Our gratitude goes to IGCAT experts, Dr. Edith Zivas from Switzerland, Vice President of IGCAT and expert in sustainable tourism, Horacio Bellettini from Ecuador, social entrepreneur, co-founder and executive director of Fuegos Foundation, Mayada Badir from Saudi Arabia, CEO of the Culinary Arts Commission and a leading name in Saudi culinary scene. Pepe Fasos from Australia. He's a chef, audiovisual producer, organic farmer, and founder of Fusion Agri-Food. Ana Paula Sansana from Portugal, technical expert in beekeeping at Louzamel Beekeepers Cooperative. And Bilal Aboudil from Tunisia, national coordinator for major international programs, cultural industries expert, and international negotiator. Thank you to all of them. These distinguished experts represent four corners of the globe, bringing their diverse perspectives and deep knowledge to the selection process. And now it's the moment we are waiting for, honoring our winners. We are delighted to have jury member Ana Paula Sansana from Portugal with us tonight. And I now invite her to the stage along with the Honorable President of the Region, President Bureau, to help present the certificates to this year's winners. Are you nervous? In no particular order, the top websites for foodie travelers 2025 include the SAIMA European Region of Gastronomy 2024, collected on behalf of their team by Dr. Diane Dodd. The next one is Enjoy Catalonia, Catalonia World Region of Gastronomy 2025, collected by Teresa Fuentes Castelvir. Congratulations. The floor is yours. The next portal is Vegera, Great European Region of Gastronomy 2026, collected by Stella Lazzari. Photo. A moment to remember. Thank you. The next one is Axitamat, Saima European Region of Gastronomy 2024, collected on their behalf by Dr. Diane Todd. And the next one is Slovenia.info, Slovenia European Region of Gastronomy 2021, collected by Ilona Miklos. Congratulations. Congrats. The next foodie website is Gastronomy Tours, covering Crete 2026 and South Aegean 2019, collected by Stella Lazzari. Then, the next one is Botiga Catalunya Experience, Catalonia World Region of Gastronomy 2025, collected by Teresa Fuentes Castelví. Now my heart is beating fast. The next one is Visit Harghita European Regional Gastronomy 2027, collected by Carol Zabor. Hello. The floor is yours. Obviously, she's not Carol. A round of applause. We are traveling the world through the best experiences. And the next one is Sawa Taste of Tunisia, collected by Lamia Temimi, founder of Sawa Taste of Tunisia. And last but not least, Discover Crete, Crete European Region of Gastronomy 2026, collected by Stella Lazzari. Good job. Wow. We have the best portals in the world. And now I invite all our awardees to join us on stage for a family photo as we celebrate their achievements. Please, join us. everybody. Family photo for posterity. Thank you. Congratulations. And to our streaming audience, if you know a top website that amazes foodie travels, we encourage you to submit for next year's competition. Visit our website, IGCAT's website, topfoodiewebsites.org for more details and to explore this year's winners. Congratulations once again to all winners, and let's continue to celebrate the incredible work being done to enhance food tourism worldwide. Thank you, Hargita, for this amazing gala evening. Thank you.